A to Z animal fun. A for alligator, snap, snap, snap. B for bear with a big paw clap. C for cat, soft and sweet. D for dog with happy feet. E for elephant, big and strong. F for frog, hop along. G for giraffe, so very tall. H for horse, runs fast, don't fall. I for iguana, green and slow. J for jaguar, watch it go. K for kangaroo, jumps up high. L for lion, hear its cry. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. N for monkey, swinging fun. N for newt, a tiny one. O for owl, hoots at night. P for penguin, black and white. Q for quail, small and shy. R for rabbit, hopping by. S for snake, slithers around. T for tiger, big and proud. U for urchin, spiky and round. V for vulture, flying around. W for whale, splashes the sea. X for x-ray, fish, look and see. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Y for yak, so big and strong. Z for zebra, stripes so long. A to Z, now we know. Animal friends that love to go.